Prepare for liftoff, SpaceX's record-breaking quest for 144 launches by 2024. SpaceX has set a lofty goal. By 2024, they plan to achieve an unprecedented 144 launches. A feat that could redefine space exploration. With a fleet of reusable rockets, SpaceX is redefining what is possible. They're driving down the cost of space travel and opening the cosmos for all. Elon Musk's ambitious vision is not without its challenges. High stakes, financial hurdles, and technical complexities all stand in the way of this monumental target. But SpaceX isn't deterred. They're innovating, problem-solving, and pushing the boundaries of what we know about space and our place within it. Why 144 launches? Because each one represents another step forward. Another opportunity to learn, to grow, to discover. Join us as we delve into SpaceX's journey. Their mission isn't just about reaching a number, it's about pushing humanity forward. In 2024, we may look to the stars and see 144 sparks of innovation. With SpaceX, the future is closer than you think.